did a couple wheelies and 2 cops pulled up. Said can't be doing wheelies here. Now, y'all can't see him right now, but I'm looking at him out of the corner of my eye, seeing if he's gonna pull out. In the parking lot, they can't really do much but tell us to leave and trespass us. On the streets, it's fair game for them. And they stayed, so we're good. I'm trying a different camera angle out. I don't know if you noticed or not. It's a super view, I think is what it's called on the GoPro settings, because the setting I had before, it just seemed like it wasn't wide enough. Like you couldn't really see like my bars or like anything. It was kind of just straight that way for the most part. Oh, this is when you wish you had a big bike. Oh no, I'm bouncing off red limiter. No. Come on, baby, let's go. Come on. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad for y'all. I have a wind skirt. It should block most of it. And I got some dead cat fur, I think is what it's called. Not literally like cat fur from a dead cat. It's like cat fur, kind of. But it's not real. It's not real. It's from fabric stores. Ooh, something smells like doo-doo. Y'all gotta be smart when y'all are trying to make a turn like that. Oh, hello. How do I get back there? Motherfucker, you know what? I'm gonna grom. No cops? No cops. Oh, you know what? That's not the best place to do that either. We'll go. Oh, that's a big drop down there. Yikes! Never mind that. Trying to get my visor up. Damn, it's hot. If I really had to, I would hit that. But I don't have to. So I'm not going to. Somebody's pointing their finger at me.
Two hours later.
That's a cool ass dude. He pulled over so we could all get by. Even though that cop got stuck at the light, I mean, he turned around. He has to be coming after us. But he got caught up at the light. I don't know where the other guys are. Hopefully they didn't get pulled over. Oh, something smells dank. Alright, we're pulling up to somebody's house, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop recording because, you know, privacy. Freaking gravel, man. I never thought I would ever fucking, like, really slide out on gravel like that. I guess I was going in that turn kind of hot. I don't know. Oh man, I got gas in places you don't want gas, and it burns so bad. Good thing is I'm okay, bike's okay. My sub cage got bent up a little bit, unfortunately. So when I get home, I'm gonna have to see if I can bend it back. Cracked my powder, which sucks, but whatever. See that big patch of sand right there? And there's my gas. Freaking man. I didn't want to let go of my bike. I was like, it's going down, I'm going down with it. Let y'all see what happened here. Powder cracked a little bit. So that's fucked, and that's fucked. Great. Great. It's a little bit hard whenever you've had one drink in you and it's dark and you've never really wheelied on the streets before, especially when it's dark and you've had a drink in you. Oh.